Good morning, everybody. Made some good progress yesterday. Got the engine in, made it up to the transmission, so everything's bolted up there. The only things left to do underneath the car is put the exhaust to the headers, and we'll put the mid pipe up and just plug in the sensors, the oxygen sensors, and then got to do the alternator belt here. I got the fuel rail and wiring harness on this morning. So the next thing, I got to get some oil while I'm out today, and we'll be ready to prime the engine, prime the top end, make sure all this is good, and then we can put our valve covers on, upper intake, drop the radiator in. So we're down to the last few things, but all the hard parts are done, man. Getting these headers on yesterday and getting the engine in and on the mounts and bolted up was the hard part, but it can be done with one person. I think it took me about 2 hours total to get it in, get it lined up. I had to fiddle around with the bell housing a couple times to get it started and lined up. So again, I'll get some break-in oil today while I'm out running around. We'll prime the top end, put the valve covers on, and drop the distributor and all that kind of stuff after work today. Alright, that's the update. 349 is in. Got a couple of test and tunes coming up. Well, only one in November and 3 in December, and then the rest are the streetcar Wednesday nights. So we'll have some opportunities out with the exhaust on the car, mufflers and everything. They'll let me run at the streetcar nights. Those are the Wednesday nights. But anyway, we'll be back at the track shortly, and hope everybody has a great day. Take care.